Hello and welcome to Caravannery. So we're off to France in a couple of days and we've realised that we need a new bag for our pegs. So I had a brand new sewing machine as a surprise gift from my lovely mum a couple of weeks ago, and I thought what better time to crack it open than now to have a go at making something. Let's see if I can remember how to sew. It's been a few years, wish me luck. To make your peg bag, you will need some lovely material, preferably something really pretty, which I know Gareth will like. Some coordinating ribbon, a couple of pins would be useful, a large safety pin, scissors, a sewing machine, and an iron. Okay, I'm not really one for using instructions, so I'm just going to dive straight in and I'll only look at these if I get stuck. Okay, in all honesty, I don't remember what half of this stuff is, so I'm just going to put all that back in there. Cut your material into a rectangle shape. I'm not too fussy with measurements, so if you fold it in half, that'll give you an idea of the finished size, and you can just cut it according to that. Iron a hem around the edge of the fabric, and it should measure around ½ inch, but I can't find my tape measure, so this is all a bit of guesswork. Sew a seam all around the folded edges, and that should be around ½ inch from the edge. Fold the shorter edges of the material one more time by about ¾ inch and iron them flat. Sew another ½ inch or so seam here, and that's going to make your ribbon channel, so make sure that's wide enough for the ribbon you've chosen. Fold the fabric in half so it's inside out with the ribbon channels meeting at the top. Sew a ½ inch seam on the two long edges of the bag, but don't forget to stop as you reach the ribbon channel so that stays open. Tease out the bottom corners of the bag, iron it flat and sew a seam across of about 1.5 inches from the corner. Repeat on the other side, and that's what's going to make the bottom of the bag flat. Turn the bag the right side out and measure your ribbon. I'm still not using a tape measure here, so just cut 2 pieces that measure twice the width of your bag plus a little bit extra. Pop your safety pin on the end of the first piece of ribbon and thread that through both ribbon channels. Then tie the 2 ends together. Repeat that with the second piece of ribbon, but don't forget to start on the opposite side. So there you have it, a new bag for our pegs. Nice drawstring top, nice flat bottom there, and really easy to make and looks really pretty too. So I'm going to show you what's inside and let's see if you think the same as me. I thought I was making this for awning pegs, but I misunderstood and it was actually just for pegs, for pegging out clothes. So It's a bit bigger than it needs to be, but it'll be handy and it'll keep all the pegs together in one place. In the description, you'll find more detailed information about how to make your own drawstring bag. If you enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe. There's a button in the bottom right corner there. Don't forget to turn on your notifications too, and that's the little bell icon, and you'll be the first to hear from Caravannery on YouTube. Just modelling my latest camera tool.